Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm doing 7 products in 7 minutes, give or take editing. Technically it's 8 because I'm using this dynamic duo here, but you'll see, let's make a start. So first up is Terzium P3, and this is the Ultimate Hydration Serum Concentrate. Now what I'm going to do is take 1 or 2 pumps in the palm of my hand and just kind of massage it in and then work it into the skin. Now honestly speaking, when I moved from using primers and that kind of makeup-y products made for skin and just switched to skincare, everything improved. This stuff here, P3, if your skin is dry or you just need really hydrating, intense kind of barrier repair, this is it. Everything that I put on after this is gonna go on like glass. Okay, so next up, what we're going to do is a bit of mixing again, creating our own skin tint. So I'm going to take Terzium, and this is Y3 Youth Restore Serum Concentrate. And I'm also going to take the custom coverage drops from Decipher. We're going to mix them together. So same principle as before, 1 pump of the Terzium Y3 and a few drops of the custom coverage drops, and just blend them together in your palm. All I want to do is create a skin tint, and I'm just going to apply this. I'm just going to apply it all over and just massage it in like it's a skincare product, because it is, because I've just created an excellent skin tint. And this is what I do, this is what I use, and I think that's really important, because with Y3 here, we're adding the benefits of amazing skincare ingredients. We've got, not only does it hydrate, but we're taking it a step further with elasticity and firmness and all the things that my skin needs, just saying. And I'm gonna work it in, and look, that is a skin tint. Even in my beard area, nothing. It is perfect, perfect. This is why I do this now. It is amazing. So next up, I'm gonna add a little bit of color to the skin with a bit of bronzer. I'm using this one here by Merit because it's just beautiful. And I'm just gonna kind of go around the outer perimeter. Also, not too dark here. I'm just adding a bit of structure, that's all. I'm just gonna take a brush, a flat brush, and just work it in. I'm not contouring, I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm just bringing a little bit of life back to the skin. And because that skin tint we created is so sheer, we're not gonna have product buildup. Next up, cream blusher. This is one by the lovely Rose Inc. It's just a beautiful color. I'm gonna take a brush, just kind of dab it, and then I'm just gonna pop this onto the high points of the cheeks, the temples, and a touch on the bridge of the nose, and then just blend it in. So nothing fancy here. Really, this tutorial is about invisible, flawless, hydrated skin tech. And that's what we're getting here. How nice that looks. That looks lovely. That looks lovely. So let's deal with the brows. Just gonna comb them through slightly. All I wanna do here is look for areas of sparseness. That's it. So I'm gonna take this great product by RMS. It's just a brow powder, but it's really nice. All I'm gonna do is focus on the areas where we just need a little bit more structure. You don't need to fill in an entire brow. Less is more. And then just give it a comb through. This look really is about just beautiful, flawless skin. So now we're going to use this mascara here by 19.99. It is the tiniest little mascara. It's really a tint for the lashes more than it is a mascara. I mean, it just tints them and makes the lashes look dark, and I'm okay with that. I really am. Because now the focus, it's not on the eyes, it's on the face, it's on the skin. Now, what I'm gonna do next is take this powder by NARS. All I wanna do is take down some of the shine in the T-zone area. So just here where it's a bit shiny, just take down the shine. And also, it's just gonna set as well underneath the eyes. And I like to go really down that T-zone area. So down the nose, underneath the eyes, because I don't want to be shiny there. And then just down anywhere where there's excess shine, I don't want it. So the skin is looking beautiful. but I want to take it one step further. I'm going to go back to Terzian, and this is P3 because I need the extra hydration here. One pump in the palm of my hand. I'm just going to rub them together to kind of work it in. And what I want to do now is add a really beautiful glass-like ethereal shine around the outside corner of the face, the outside perimeter. So I'm going to take my palms and I'm just going to gently press them into this outside corner of the face, and I'm going to be left with this beautiful radiant finish to the skin. Plus I'm getting in all of those extra skincare benefits, which I'm obsessed with as I get older. And now if you look from the front, skin just looks beautiful. And as I turn, there is that beautiful radiant shine that we've just created. So you look beautiful and semi-matte here, and then you turn and it just catches the light and just looks beautiful, ethereal, gorgeous. Thanks for watching. 7 products in 7 minutes-ish. All the information in the description bar, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.